Hello, this is Andrew Hinrichs with Horizon Advisors. We work with many families to develop financial plans that help them get more organized and feeling more confident. Today, we will discuss the pros and cons of both hybrid long-term care and traditional long-term care insurance policies. Now, before we get into these two different policies, it is important to look at what they both do. Most long-term care policies are designed to pay a benefit in the event that you need home care, assisted living, or nursing care. They mostly all have the same definition to go on claim, which means you must be certified unable to perform 2 of the 6 activities of daily living, which are eating, bathing, dressing, toileting, transferring, and maintaining continence. Things like dementia and Alzheimer's can be automatic qualifiers. Now, the first type of policy I mentioned is traditional long-term care. These kinds of policies have been around for many years. When they first came out, there were many different insurance companies that were providing this type of product. Over the years, though, many companies have had a bad claims experience and also found out that these policies may not be profitable for the insurance company. Nowadays, there are really only a couple providers available that are in this space. There are a few main weaknesses in these types of policies. The first is the fact that the insurance premiums are not guaranteed. The insurance company can increase your premiums with the approval from the state insurance commissioner. We have seen people getting multiple increases, and we have seen these increases above over 100% in some situations. Most retirees on a fixed budget don't like these types of surprises down the road. If you don't need long-term care in your life, you lost all the premiums you paid. If you make it to age 65, there is over a 70% chance you will need care in some fashion. Some will only need for a short time, others will need for a long time. These people wouldn't have got much benefit out of the policy. Also, because of lack of competition among carriers, you have less options. The strengths of these policies are the fact that you can insure a large pool of benefit dollars that can be used tax-free for home care, assisted living, or nursing home care for a reasonable cost. You can also customize your policy to fit your budget. You can design a very comprehensive policy or one that just helps in a certain event. Many times, there is also a spousal discount. The other type of policy that I mentioned would be a hybrid life/long-term care policy. We like the strengths of this policy more, and really amazing why is, first off, you can design a large pool of benefit dollars that can be used tax-free for home care, assisted living, or nursing home. There are many insurance companies selling these types of policies, which increases competition and helps consumers with better pricing. Because this is life insurance and long-term care insurance, if you don't use the long-term care piece of it, a tax-free death benefit is paid out to the beneficiaries. This way you know that every dollar you put into the policy will be returned, whether it's used for long-term care or you just pass away. Hybrid insurance does have a couple of weaknesses. First, the underwriting looks a lot more difficult to get through than a traditional policy, being that it has the life insurance component attached to it. It's also less customizable. So either way, having a long-term care policy of any kind can help provide a cash flow to you to help pay for this type of care if it were to happen. Please contact us if you'd like to schedule a meeting to go over your current situation and see what would be best for you. You can also reach out to us if you'd like to get a quote so you can have an understanding of what these premiums would cost for your situation. Thank you.